Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I know the market is closed. I totally understand that for the U.S. and for Canada, but I still wanted to put out a video to get you ready for the week, put my top weekly picks for both the U.S. and the Canadian market. So hopefully everybody is having a good time off for President's Day. The market is closed, but we're still here, and nonetheless, I wanted to bring a video. So let's talk about what's going on in the U.S. market. We'll get into the program, and we always got to start off from a market timing perspective with all of the news going on with tariffs and inflation and interest rates and all that kind of stuff. The market's caught up in a little bit of a channel, probably a channel within a channel, but still, if I go to the home page, primary wave is up. We still have more yellow lights than we have red lights. I am going to still take a little bit more of a bullish feel, but keep in mind that currently last week we did get into a hedge, so I am in one contract. I was thinking about getting into another one, but I wanted to look at some stocks that I think that could still do okay in the current market's direction. And the way it is right now, DFS, SF, Axon, and LYG. Let's graph these stocks real quick, bring them to your attention. Now, a couple of these stocks I really like because they are undervalued with value rising. I'm looking at DFS, Financial Credit Services. Nice little bounce. I'd love to see it take out the high, but I love that it's undervalued and value is rising. Keep that on your radar. Next one is SF, a foreign bank or broker. I'd like to see it take out this level of resistance as well, but undervalued, beautifully undervalued, rising value. I'm not sure I like the volume too much, but RT is above 1. Next one is Axon, way overvalued, but I like this stock. They have the market on police body cams. So I've been liking this stock a lot. Value is not really rising, but it is overvalued. I like that it's in a channel close to the level of resistance. I'd love to see it break out on good volume. And the last stock I have in here, LYG. I don't know much about this stock, but I like the way it looks. I like the way it moves. I like how you move it. Because this ain't dipping, so don't put your hands on your hip and my hip because we ain't dipping. I like the move off this low, bottom left, top right, undervalued, rising value. Volume is falling, but volume is pretty kind of high here. I don't like that, but I do like RT is above 1 and rising. Definitely, and it's a low dollar stock, So those are my stock picks for this week. If I go look at our portfolio, it's down about 1.5%, but look at this, SAN, PGR, SVI. This is my hedge, and my hedge is actually a one-time contra ETF, and it's up one time, so non-leverage. It's up 2.04%. I like that I have the hedge, and I will add probably Axon to my list of stocks going into this week. All right, so that's for the U.S. market. I do like the rise on the portfolio. I know that it's down. I got a whole year to work through this, so I'm fine. All right, let's go over to the Canadian market, and let's go start off with the graph there. The Canadian market's graph looks a lot better than ours in that it's just really moving up. But now, see something? It is moving in a little bit of a sideways area. Last week or two or so, I hit a new 1 year high on the stock. RT on the graph, RT is above 1. Let me move this over a little bit. RT is above 1. MTI is right at 1. The Canadian market right now looks a tad bit stronger than the U.S. market, and it's got more green lights in its color guard than not. All right, so let's go to the viewers. Here are my top 5 picks for the Canadian market. Look at these CIs, all above 1. All of them are buy or hold recommendation. Palantir is in here. That's a new stock for the Canadian market for those like me who are trading Palantir. Let's graph these all real quick, and I'm going to put these on a 3-month graph. I like NCI, bottom left, top right. Rocking and rolling. RT above 1. Let's go to the next one. Wow. Aura, nice. I'm in that in the U.S. side, though. I'm loving this. Stock just broke through a level of resistance, new high. Volume is falling. I'm finding that out for a lot of the stocks right now. Volume is starting to fall a little bit. It's catching my attention. EXE, little bounce off support up here. I like the remove. I like that a little bit of a hammer, followed by a shooting star with no follow through on that one. I'd love to see it take out the high. Volume is picking up just a little bit. I do like that as well. Palantir, a new play in the Canadian market, hitting a new high. And the last one is GTWO, another mining stock. Gold and gold mining has been rocking and rolling. Look at the volume behind that. And it's a cheap stock at $3.02. Let's go look at your portfolio for the Canadian market. It's only up about 0.5%. Two of the stocks are down. I will add, once the market is open tomorrow, 2 stocks. Probably the 2 stocks I'm going to add are going to be GTWO and EXE. All right, those are the 2 stocks that I will add to the Canadian portfolio. So with that being said, folks, that's it. A little short video on the stocks to get you ready for the week. I'm watching the results. We're going to be fine. We're going to be fine. And by the end of the year, I'm thinking we're going to be somewhere, my opinion, we're going to be somewhere between 30 to 50% up on the year. We'll see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Folks, have a great day off in the market. See you tomorrow. This video is over. And until the next time, see ya.